Hey guys, and welcome to Smart Photo Reviews channel. Today we will show you one interesting little gadget made for your cell phones or compact cameras. It's Joby GripTight PRO TelePod, as you can see on this box. These images already show you what this product is all about. It's some kind of selfie stick that can be transformed into little tripod or telepod, as Joby said. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. Some instruction manuals as usual. Here is the main unit. It's some kind of selfie stick. As you can see, there's a button here. This button is made for triggering your cell phone or your camera via Bluetooth connection. It's very useful because when you use your selfie stick, you want to trigger your camera or cell phone remotely, and this button allows you to do it. So you can make this little selfie stick longer with these telescopic legs or sections like this. If you need to shoot some larger group of people, to include several people in your selfie photograph. You can, of course, you have other elements. You have adapter for your smartphone that is in the box. I will show it to you now. It's a bit harder to release from the box. Here it is. You screw it here, like this, and by the means of this screw, you adjust the height or width of your telephone and put it inside, and then you can additionally elongate the selfie stick and take some excellent selfie photos. Of course, you can adjust the angle here, so you can put your cell phone or compact camera in any position that you want. So that's almost all about this product. Also, I would like to add that it has some kind of cold shoe mount up here, so you can mount some LED lights or something like that, which is very useful when you're shooting yourself in some low light conditions. Another useful feature is that you can release these little legs, and when you extend completely these sections, you can make it a kind of tripod, more than a telepod, as Joby said, to make it more stable when you're shooting something. But it's not quite that stable, so you have to be careful about the wind. Okay, I'll put it back down. And I will say a few words about the quality. The quality of Joby products is has always been very good, so this product is also of very good quality materials. Metal, plastic, both are high quality, so no problem about that. The price is also a bit high, as it is usual for Joby products, because they are very, very innovative. And the price of this little gadget is about 80 United States dollars or 70 to 80 euros, depending on the market you buy it from. So if it's something that will make your life easier when vlogging yourself with your compact camera or with your cell phone, then this product might be a perfect solution for you. There are a few additional accessories here for mounting GoPro cameras or for mounting some compact cameras on this little telepod. So that's about that product. It's Joby GripTight PRO TelePod. Thank you for being with us these several minutes. If you like what we are doing, please consider subscribing, liking and commenting. All of that would be very well appreciated. And until next time, we're saying bye-bye from Smart Photo Reviews channel.